Monitoring motors and motor-driven equipment such as fans and pumps in hard-to-reach or remote areas can be extremely challenging. In most cases, traditional condition monitoring methods fall short in these areas. Thanks to its unique condition monitoring technology via electrical signals, Artesis solutions offer simple and AI-based fault detection of rotating equipment in such areas. Our online monitoring solution EMCM predicts faults up to 6 months in advance by monitoring incoming current and voltage signal to the motor, eliminating the need of installing any sensors on the motor itself. Artesis EMCM system is easily installed in the motor control cabinet and allowing real-time 24/7 condition and power monitoring of rotating equipment with electrical, mechanical, and process fault detections. Our on-premise and cloud-based monitoring software offer an intuitive and simplified condition monitoring experience for widespread adoption of predictive maintenance practice in any plant. For additional information, please visit our website artesis.com.